how to buy unemployed token. So this token came under the symbol of no job. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address is under the Solana token. Now open your fund your money for that. As you can see, now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is also, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, as you can see, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue or you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy no job token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.